To create a hanging indent in Microsoft Word, start by selecting the text you want to format. Highlight the paragraphs that require the indent, which is commonly used for bibliographies and works cited pages. Next, navigate to the Home tab on the toolbar. Look for the paragraph settings, usually represented by a small arrow in the bottom right corner of the paragraph section. Click this arrow to open the paragraph dialog box. In the dialog box, find the Indentation section. You will see an option for Special, where you can select Hanging from the drop-down menu. This setting automatically adjusts the first line of your selected paragraphs, indenting it while keeping the subsequent lines flush with the left margin. You can also specify the indent size if needed, typically set to 1/2 inch in most formatting styles. After making your selections, click OK to apply the changes. Alternatively, you can achieve a hanging indent using the ruler at the top of the Word document. Drag the lower triangle on the ruler to the desired indent position while keeping the upper triangle in place at the left margin. By following these steps, you can effectively format text with a hanging indent in Word, ensuring your document meets the required standards for academic or professional writing.